I didn't have much time or money last weekend, but my front porch pots needed a quick and cheap refresh because we were giving our first summer party. You can screenshot the full recipe at the end. I used an Oya in each of those big pots so I don't have to water as often. Salvia was my thriller, and it went in the bag with its tall flower spikes. Then I took a mix of petunias and verbena, those are the spillers. I divided them gently in half, and since those are the thirstiest plants, I really made sure that they were snuggled up to the Oya. Then I tucked in the heuchera, that's the filler, and I popped some coreopsis into the smaller pots. Here's the recipe. Heuchera, overwintered from last fall, salvia, May night, a potted mix of petunias and verbena, and coreopsis. It was a quick and cheap refresh which will last all summer long. Happy gardening!